All right, so today we're going to look at setting up a PAT. You'll see it referenced as PAT, but that stands for Personal Access Token. What you can do with the Personal Access Token is authenticate through the Tableau APIs like Tableau Server Client. So setup's real easy. You just log into your cloud or server instance, click on your user, and go to Account Settings. Once you're in Account Settings, make sure you're on the Setting tab, and you'll see this section, Personal Access Tokens. You just give it a name, call mine Tableau Ops, and then you click Create Token. Make sure that when this pops up, you save this secret, because once you close this window, you don't get it back. So save the token. Also, make sure you know what your expiration date is. The max you can do is 365 days. So I recommend setting up a cadence to refresh and replace this token every 6 months if you have it on a 365-day expiration, just so that you make sure that you don't end up with any scripts that have an expired token in them. So what happens once this expires, you won't even know, but you won't know why necessarily, but your Tableau API processes or automations will stop. They'll be failing, and so make sure that you're replacing those within your scripts every 6 months. Just make sure you don't run into that issue. So I'll say done here. You don't ever want to share this token name or secret with anyone. So I'm just going to revoke that. This effectively deletes that token, so it won't be usable anymore. Just like that, and it's gone. So this will lead us right into authenticating with some of the APIs, and we'll look at that next.